This is Alex, a real estate agent whose day is a puzzle with too many pieces. Another missed showing? And where's the file for the Johnson estate? Alex's life is a never-ending game of catch-up. But what if we told you there's a way to put those puzzle pieces together? Enter Legacy AI. Like finding a secret door in a maze. A personal assistant that never sleeps and loves dad jokes? Sign me up. Watch as Legacy AI transforms Alex's business, handling everything from lead management to client follow-ups. Open house for the Smiths scheduled, Alex. And don't forget a real estate joke. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful real estate agent? Because he was outstanding in his field. Gone are the days of chaos. Welcome to the new era of real estate, powered by Legacy AI. Now, I can focus on what I do best, finding dream homes. And maybe, just maybe, learn a new hobby with all this free time. Legacy AI, transforming real estate one laugh at a time. Join the revolution with Legacy AI. Less stress, more homes sold, and yes, even time for golf. Legacy AI, where business meets efficiency and life finds humor.